Let's welcome back to Morning Live, Chef D. This morning we're talking about one of my favorite things. It's the small things, sliders. Make it happen.
Hey, Bob, how are you?
Good, good. I'm looking forward, though. I mean, and we have so many rays of light and hope. We're near the end of this pandemic thing, and we want to get you back in the studio and feeding us.
I can hardly wait. So I was thinking, again, we can start having some family again in the backyard. So why don't we do some sliders? So I teamed up with our good friends at Bothwell, and they have a new three sliced cheese. So we have a red chili with Monterey Jack, mozzarella, and cheddar. So then, Bob, what I've done is I have a whole bunch of different meat behind me, in front of me. Sorry, I have some duck confit, I have some pulled pork, I have some braised beef short ribs, and then I have a selection of back bacon, side bacon, and chicken. So we're going to get started, and we're going to do some different condiments with each slider. And I just don't want to, I kind of want to think outside the box. So I thought, why don't we use a little bit of sour cherry jelly? Put that on.
Chef D.
Yep.
So what constitutes a slider? Is it just dimensions?
It's just dimensions. It's a small version. It could be a small version of a chicken burger, pork burger, or beef burger, or any of what we're doing today. It's just
anything
a
you
smaller
just pop
version.
in your mouth.
Exactly. 2 bites is kind of where we're at. So I have our duck. So I put some sour cherry with that. So we got a little bit of sweet. We got the savory of the duck, and we cooked the duck in some Chinese 5-spice. It smells amazing. Sorry, Bob, you can't be here.
Oh, I know. So you said it was a confit, like you cure that?
Yeah, so what we do is we actually cook the duck in duck fat, right?
Uh-huh.
So it's slowly overnight. It was about 12-hour cook on it, 250 degrees, and then you get all that great flavor and richness in with
lots
the duck,
of salt,
and it's
too?
fantastic. Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. Then the next one, we're going to take the Bothwell cheddar, and then I'm going to take, this is my triple pork slider. So we're going to take some pulled pork.
I think that's my favorite.
Oh, okay.
Right?
I want
And then
Yeah.
I happen to have some Chef D barbecue sauce. And you can use any barbecue sauce that you really like. And then we're going to
We insist on Chef D barbecue sauce. Ask for it by name.
And then for the next one, we're going to take our beef slider and we're going to take it with some steak spice aioli. Now, for those of you who are kind of insinuating with what an aioli is a fancy word for mayonnaise. So if you just want at home, take some Montreal steak spice, a little bit of lemon juice, and some mayonnaise, mix it together, you have steak spice aioli.
Ah, okay. Good tip. Good hack.
And then we're going to take that, a little bit of mozzarella, because we got lots of flavor with the beef and the steak spice. The mozzarella, again, mild flavor. We're going to pop that in. Oh yeah, and you can just see how this is melting beautifully. And then you can do this, Bob, if you want. Now you can do it in your barbecue. Just grill it, and it'll be fine. You know, it won't come down really like a press, but it'll be beautiful. And then we're going to take our chicken this time around. And I have some chimichurri sauce. And what this is parsley. I had a brain cramp there. Parsley, lemon juice, olive oil, a little bit of garlic. We're going to put that over top of our chicken.
I was going to rattle all that off and help you, but...
Thank you. some caramelized onions, some tomato. Again, because it's a little bit milder, we're going to take some of the red chili and put the cheese in. And then, again, you're going to press them.
Yeah, some of your buns sticking out there, Chef D.
Oh, I know. I'm going to move these around. We have these live edge tables here today, Bob, and they're slanting just a little bit. So, again, you just really easy. Pop them in the panini press for between 2 and 3 minutes. If you like it a little bit more toasted, go a little bit longer. And then, I was thinking you have cheese, you have great meats. What goes with all that but some amazing Ontario wines? Our good friends from Featherstone. I love their Four Feathers. This is a fantastic food pairing wine because you can have heat, savory, and sweet, and it pairs really nicely with it. And then, our great buns, again, we get them from Cobb's here I'm at Deer Ridge again today. I think Trish can show everybody hole number 18 right here.
Beautiful.
And so we use the buns here. They're absolutely fantastic. They're light and airy. I like light, airy versus a little bit heavier because you want to have a bunch of these,
Yeah.
and then just team it up with a salad. We have some pico de gallo here.
Well, we got to go, but boy, we're inspired. We're going to make some sliders, and we're going to make another appointment with you as soon as we can. Good to see you, Chef D. We'll link up your website and socials at chstage.com.
Thanks, Bob.